It's basically a knowledge management tool. It enables people to collaborate around specific concrete and cement related topics, share ideas, or if anyone has any challenge, be able to log it on that site, and other people who have encountered the problem would be able to assist them on the solution or the theory behind what is causing whatever they would be experiencing. It also links into other data sources for research purposes, so that if you want to know more about concrete and cement, it's the best place to go. It didn't take long at all to configure the tool itself, but the actual training process and making sure that people know how to use the tool, change management and all that, I'd say about 6 months. The successes would have been the integration with external sources, using the serendipity tool that allows you to incorporate other research databases outside of PPC. Integration with our internal repositories, data repositories and all of that, and making sure that all the users are able to use the system. Those were the successes, really. Challenges, there weren't many, but like with any other IT project, getting all the users, user requirements together, making sure that the solution fits what the business wants to achieve was like normal challenges that we have. It's a web-based tool, so it runs on any system that has got a web browser interface. You'll be able to use it. It's not dependent on the operating system. You just need a web browser and you should be able to use it. It's unlimited. As many people as you have, it's like any other internet-based platform. There is no license restrictions or anything like that. It's a web-based tool that anyone can use. So I'd say it's unlimited. You can use it on your cell phone. Any cell phone that can render a web page, you can access it from there, yes. It is important because a tool like this brings us closer to our customers. It's actually it brings us closer to the strength beyond the bag. Because general public will be able to ask questions and the subject matter experts will be able to respond to them. Similarly, if anyone internally wants to research something about cement, it's the best place to go for the data. So it is relevant for PPC, for us to keep being a market leader and being relevant to the industry that we operate in. We need to provide tools like this to the end customer as well as to our employees.